Today we're going to take a look at a 7-blade shaver, and this is perfect for you guys that are bald just like me. The shaver comes with its cover, and you can see all the blades are well secure. Let's remove them here. And they all have the shock, so when you're maneuvering to your head or through your chin, this is not going to cut you or any kind of thing. And each one is available. You could remove it and replace it too also and clean it. Also included with this kit, they give you a brush. So if you're going to wash your face, you can wash your face with this. I always use this a lot. And then especially this one, the silicone brush too. I love this one. It's one of my favorite ones. And of course, they got different blades for different size of your hair. If you're going to bald and you want to shave your head, you can do that with this machine too also. And also including the cleaner. They include the actual charging station, which is a USB and then to type C. If you guys can see, A to C. And then of course, to turn it on, you hold on the power button once. Right now, currently we're 75 power RPMs, and then we're 100% charge, and we can always turn it off. But I like that it tells you how much charge you require and need. So let's put it to use and see how well it works. All right, for the shaving part first, you gotta make sure you gotta trim it down, and that's where we're gonna use the actual blade here. You could either reversible, like I said, it's reversible. Any way you can do that. So you could bring it down slowly if you want, and then, or you could just trim it up if you want. It's up to you. So right now, currently, we're just gonna trim down some of the sides here and go along with this. So the way it works, you just turn it on, right? I'm gonna go crazy bald right now because, so you can see it, how it's cutting. It's cutting a lot of hair. So I'm gonna trim it down first before we actually shave. So let's go ahead and trim the hair and then we'll come back. All right, what we're gonna do is trim down the beard, but I'm not gonna use a flat one. I'm just gonna go with the actual blade number 1. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use 3 millimeters, right? So it's like blade 1 on this one, and then we're gonna shave. All right, now we're gonna start with the blade, marry it, all right? Once you marry it, if you guys notice, I shaved myself very good with it. It worked out pretty good on both ends. You guys can see. So we're gonna shave now completely everything and make sure we come back with this. So wet it first. I like to wet it just a little bit. Just wet enough of it. And then let's go ahead and wet our head too. You gotta wet your head. All right, wet your head everywhere. Make sure the blade does not burn. So, because they do burn if you don't properly wet your head, and also if you don't have gel shaving cream properly. So let's put some shaving cream on too, and we're ready to shave. So let's go ahead and shave it. And the way it works, all right, remember, power on. Runs very smooth around your head. I like to rotate it a lot, so just make sure you rotate it enough. Make sure you don't miss on some spots, so go all the way to the back of your neck. And that's pretty much does it. I mean, let's clean ourselves out and see how well it works, and then we'll use the facial one. So I like how it works. Very clean cut, you guys notice? And the blade's a plus. And then I'm gonna wash my face too. I love washing my face. So that's one thing I like to do with these machines. Just make sure that the silicone, I use the silicone personally. Soap and silicone, that's it. So we're gonna come back and see how it works. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shave, take some of it off right now. And of course, you can always clean the heads, right? They pop out, every single one pops out, so you can clean it manually, right? But I like to hit it on every corner before I dry it out. We're gonna remove the actual shaving one, and we're gonna put this one in the return, and then you turn it on, have the spindle. All right, let's get some going with our face first. I like to use soap, like I said. So let's go ahead and do that. Getting to the pores, especially around the nose right here. This is the most important part right here. Well, multiple things you can do with it, especially it's very compact, easy to travel, multiple different colors they sell it. Did a great job by shaving, not just shaving and trimming down, but also clean your face too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.